Well, we have installed Gem application. So to install Joomla on Windows, you can start browsing Joomla, download, then it should give you this list. Then you can also click on download, which will take you to the Joomla download. And Joomla 5, we want to go for this. You can download that by clicking on the download as well. Yes, this is February 2024, so let's start downloading Joomla 5. So we want to go for a fresh installation, therefore we will go with the Joomla download package. If you already had installed Joomla, you can go for upgrade package as well, but for this video tutorial we'll go with the download Joomla. So once we click on that download, it starts downloading. Now that the installation file is ready, so we finished to download the Joomla 5.0.3 stable package. So we'll be opening the file or the folder. You can also open the folder, and we will copy this to the HD doc under your C drive, gem HD doc. Then we'll be pasting there. Then the same way we will be extracting it. The process is finished. Then we can go with renaming our package to Joomla. That's all. Since we don't need this anymore, I'll be deleting it. Well, now that you can go with localhost / Joomla, and before that I will also create a database, and I will name that as Joomla. Fine. Now when I start typing localhost / Joomla, it redirects us to the installation page, since we have not installed it yet. So we'll start our installation process. So first we have to select the language. English United States is fine for me. And name of the Joomla site, let me name it as this, and let me name it as super username as this. Password will be this. Now I'll go with next step. So in the next step there is SQL and SQLi. So SQLi is fine for me. Then localhost is fine. Then I'll go with root. Password is blank. Database name is Joomla. And prefix, anything you can give. So let me go with this. So encryption, let me go with default. Now it start running the installation. And the installation is finished. So if you want to add additional language, you can click on install additional language. Otherwise you can go ahead opening the administration site or the site, open site. So everything is fine here. So this is fine. Let me open the admin site. Okay, first we need to delete the installation folder. So let me go back in the Joomla folder. Then installation folder need to be deleted. That's fine. Now the process is done. Now if we go with localhost Joomla administration, this is the administration site. Then whatever username I click, then whatever password was given, then I can click on login. So first it asks us we want to increase the compatibility of the Joomla, then we can click on enable Joomla statistic, yes, otherwise you can click on no. So for this case you can go with that. This is the admin dashboard, and if you want to add some post or some content, you can always go with this content. And if you want to add the menu, so you can add the menus from here. Main menu is already there, so only home is there. If you want to add more, we can add it by clicking on new, or else we can manually set up later this. Now let me go with the content first. As you can see here, article, categories, features are there. So under category you can add more categories. If you have, let's say, news item, we'll add it as a news category. Otherwise it can be auto-generated, and you can write a description if you want. And if there is no parent, that's fine. If there is a parent, then you can also specify. So once done, then you can click on save and close. Now we have two categories already. Now if I want to add the article, then I can click on article plus sign or new. Then title of the article, let's say upcoming election, and some text. Okay, so the content can be here. So image, if you want to add, you can add from here. The features, full image, link, whatever you want to add. Then option here, global, tag, and everything else can be here. Then schema also, if you want to add, you can add it. Publish, publishing date, finishing publishing, and so on if you want to customize such. So let me go with the default one, and I can click on save and close. So we have one page. So if I want to see the content, I can simply click on that, otherwise I can simply close. So that's all for the installation. Let us sign out and see what we have, other things other than this. Let me log out. Let me go with the Joomla site. This is the home page. We haven't added anything, so it is still blank. So kindly subscribe if you want to learn more on how to work with the Joomla CMS.